Hello there. I'm Rima from Nexalog's customer service team. Today, I'll be guiding you through our claims and refunds procedures. It's simpler than you might think. You trusted Nexalog with your package, but it didn't arrive in the condition you expected. It's unfortunate, but issues can arise, and we're here to help. The first step is to file a claim. Use our user-friendly online portal or reach out directly to our customer service. Once your claim is filed, our dedicated team will investigate. We may request additional information or documentation, like photos of the damaged items. It's our way of ensuring accuracy in every decision. All claims go through a systematic review process, typically taking up to 10 business days. We know waiting isn't fun, but it ensures every claim gets the attention it deserves. After reviewing, we'll get back to you with our findings. If your claim is approved, a refund or compensation will be processed promptly. For clarity, let's peek at two examples. Imagine you sent a ceramic vase and it arrived in pieces. After you file a claim with a photo of the damaged vase, our team reviews it and approves compensation. Another scenario could be you sent 5 items, but only 4 got delivered. A claim gets filed, we check our logs, and upon verification, the missing item gets refunded or redelivered. At Nexalog, our goal is your satisfaction. Claims and refunds might sound complicated, but they're designed to be fair and transparent. Understanding this process helps you navigate issues with confidence. For more information or support, contact our customer service team. We're here to make your Nexalog experience smooth and hassle-free.